So as a lot of you guys might be aware, CES is going on. It's a big consumer electronics showcase out in Vegas, and a lot of the big tech players always have new accessories and products to show for a slew of product categories. Well, Anker is one of our favorite channel accessory maker. They're not a partner on the channel, but they do come out with some of the best charging products that we've seen in the third-party market. If you guys follow the channel, you guys would know we have a ton of their stuff. We've reviewed it for years, and they are back at CES with some of their newest products, and this one specifically caught our eye. It is their new 25,000 milliamp hour power bank with built-in retractable cords and a second built-in cord and 2 additional charging slots. This video isn't sponsored by them. It comes in a little under $100. This is actually very cool. I want to give you guys a quick unboxing and show you this new power bank. Let's go. So like we said, we are no stranger to Anker power banks in the slightest, as you can see here. We've purchased all these with our own money. Like I said, we're not sponsored. They just genuinely do make a great product. And as you can see, the Prime series is kind of comparable in looks to this new 2025 model. But I want to jump into a couple specifics here around the 25,000 milliamp hour battery with a 165 watt output. Really, one port puts out 100 watts, so you can charge like a MacBook Air, a 14-inch or something like that in like 30 minutes to 80% or something crazy like that. You can charge 4 devices simultaneously, and you do have a nicer display on these. Let me go ahead and just set these to the side for us, and let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. So first thing you'll notice, it does have a lanyard built in. That is actually a charging cord as well. You do have that massive display, like I said, on the front. It's advertising those other 2 charging ports. And you're seeing 100 watt single port fast charger, 4 charging devices simultaneously with that high res display. And again, here you can see 2500 milliamp hour battery. And this is actually probably about the max size capacity you can fly with if you wanted on a carry-on. You can see it has 165 watts total max output. Dual port capability lets you fast charge 2 laptops simultaneously. A single port delivers up to 100 watts, powering a 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 to 80% in just 30 minutes. 25,000 milliamp hour battery, like we said, for global travel and those dual built-in cables. This is a Series 5 accessory here, and you can see just a list of some optional phones and other accessories you can use it with. To open it, all you're going to do is peel those 2 tabs on the top and bottom here, and go ahead and let's pop this out if it wants to. There we go. And very similar packaging to Anker's other products, if you're familiar with those. I will throw that affiliate link up down below if you guys are interested. It definitely helps out the channel. We greatly appreciate it. You do have in the box as well some reading material, your safety information, and a little portable bag if you want to put the power bank in there. Let's go ahead and pluck all this to the side and take a look at the star of the show here, which is the new power bank. And okay, as you can see, even in relation to those other ones I showed you, it's a little narrower, but definitely a little taller as well. Thickness is a little thicker. And you can see here it does advertise 165 watts on the side. Again, you do have that lanyard strap here, but if you push up, you can see it is actually a USB Type-C cable. You can just slide it back in and carry it like that if you so wish. 90 watts it looks like, 25,000 milliamp as we said. And one of the coolest accessory pieces is right up top here. And this is actually an extension cable built in. It's a retractable USB-C charging. And you can see this baby is pretty long. You would not have any issue using that to charge your device. Peel that piece off and you can see the display right on top here. You actually have a little weird smiley face if you like. It's letting you know it must have read that you pulled out the charging cable, and sure enough, there it is. It was actually winking a second ago. That's kind of interesting. I did hear that if you actually pull it like that, hey, you'll get those little crazy designs, kind of weird. Guess cool little gimmicky touch if you like those kind of things. But obviously, for what it's meant for, you can just plug in your phone let's go ahead and extend this cable out a little bit, plug it in, and you can see the beauty and benefit of having this display on the charger. It's pushing out at 3 watts right now out of the first port. You do also have those additional 2 on the side that we talked about. It's one USB-A and an additional USB-C that is an in and out cable. And yeah, you can see it's outputting now at 10 watts as it charges with 22% battery left. You do have a little power button on the side here that will cycle through menus. Gives you the battery temperature, letting you know it's safe, high performance mode, the battery health. So yeah, very useful for a actual extra accessory with plenty of battery power to use on the go. One other cool thing about this, and if you guys follow the channel, you know as well, we did just recently get a Starlink Mini satellite, and this will actually charge it a little longer than some of those other Anker chargers we showed you because of the capacity here. You could probably run a Starlink Mini strictly off of this for a few hours in a pinch, which would be very cool to see. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this one. I just wanted to show you, again, Anker's new CES special here. They came out with an assortment of other chargers, but this is one that really piqued our interest. We were glad to get our hands on it. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.